Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Devi, and in this short video I'm going to just present to you the EtherChain smart contract audit. This document was just posted a few minutes back in the Telegram group. As you can see here, it's the Telegram group, so it was posted here, and I just wanted to show it to you guys for those of you who are waiting for the audit. So it is already out, and the creator of the contract has also posted it in the official Facebook group. This is the group, as you can see. The creator, Andreas Catrud, he has posted it also here. So I would suggest you guys who are not in the Facebook group and the Telegram group, you can join the group and be able to follow up what is taking place in EtherChain. So this is a great smart contract, and the owner is very innovative and is keeping his promises. So you can join the group. I'm going to leave the links in the description of this video for the Telegram group and the Facebook group. And the contract also is doing very well at the moment. So if we are to look at the contract, it has got 238 ETH in the daily pool. And if we are to look here, can see that the smart contract balance is over 10,258 ETH, and the amount which is withdrawn by members is 4,226 ETH. So it is quite healthy. The difference between what has been withdrawn and what is in the contract, there is a very huge difference. So you guys, you can join the contract and you be able to earn 310% of your deposit into the community fund. And so I'm also going to leave my link in the description for those of you who are not yet in the contract. You can always join and we all make money. So that is a brief update I had for you guys. And just a quick reminder, this Facebook, the Telegram chat actually, I have liked it very much because these guys are awesome. They are very active. They help members, and the same is also happening into the Facebook group. So you're going to use the link in the description to join these communities so that you cannot miss anything from these guys. And in case also you need any help, these members can be able to help out. That's the good thing about this community. They are all helping out each other. So guys, see you in another video.